Hello guys, today I will talk about shadow puppets. As you know that before I talk about puppet cartoons, but today I will talk about shadow puppets. Hello, now I will talk about shadow puppets. Shadow puppet. Shadow play, as also known as shadow puppetry, is an ancient form of storytelling and entertainment which uses flat articled cut-out figures, shadow puppets, which are held between a source of light and a translucent screen or screen. The cutout shapes of the puppet sometimes include translucent color or other types of detailing. Various effects can be achieved by moving both of the puppet and the light source. A talented puppeteer can make the figures appear to walk, dance, fight, nod, and laugh. China made the first shadow puppets. Shadow play is a popular culture among both children and adults in many countries around the world. More than 20 countries are known to have shadow show troupes. Shadow play is an old tradition and it has a long history in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Cambodia. It has been an ancient art and a living folk tradition in China, India, Iran, and Nepal. It also known in Egypt, Turkey, Syria, Greece, France, and US. Now I will show you an example of shadow puppet movie.